Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNUS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis the past several days, including yesterday, which happens to be Thursday as of the recording of this video. And that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from here. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made as the bears just continue to take bites and bites out of this thing. So first I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that comes about is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into next week, if there is any sort of bounce, then yeah, you got $1.54. What I'm actually going to do is adjust this level down here a little bit more, because in my opinion, the more so accurate level of resistance is going to be right there around the $1.50 mark. So again, on any sort of attempted bounce to the upside, $1.50 going to be that first key level to watch very closely. So public enemy number one, $1.50, and then if the price can push up through there, the next overarching level, as I've talked about in past videos, remains the dreaded 50-period moving average, which on my chart is denoted there by the purple line. Current value of that right there around the $1.60 mark. So those are going to be the two main areas if there is any sort of attempted bounce. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy here at all. Just a question of, okay, Clay, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And the bleeding finally stopped. And not only did it stop, it actually got a respectable bounce, but down here at $1.43. So for that reason and that reason alone is going to be the main level to watch from the support side of things. But yeah, as of right now, I mean, this entire week has just been all bears, and really the past couple of weeks as things continue to drift further and further down. But at some point, you got to think there's going to be a worthwhile bounce, so it's worth keeping an eye on, and we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.